Remove 3 bolts on each side wall of box with a Torx wrench. Test fit the side rail on the inside lip of the box. Push the side rail forward until it touches the front of the box and adjust it flush and level with the top of the box. Clean inside edge of box rail with alcohol pad. Position the side rail tight against the front of the box and flush with the box rail. Work from front to rear of the box. Next, position the front of bracket with narrow slot towards the box wall. Then secure with a bolt, lock washer, and flat washer. With the side rail level and flush with the box rail, ensure the bracket is tight against the box wall and side rail. Fully tighten bottom bolt. Repeat the procedure to install middle and rear brackets. Align the slot in the bracket with the slot in the side rail. Then secure with a nylock nut. Leave finger tight for now. Push side rail tight against the box rail to compress seal. Ensure entire seal is completely compressed. Then fully tighten nut. Repeat this process to install side rail on the opposite side. When done, ensure all bracket bolts are fully tightened.